Good afternoon, explorers.
Good afternoon.
We're at Silver Spring State Park today.
Located in Ocala, Florida.
Yep.
We have reservations to ride the glass bottom boat.
And then we're gonna take a kayak ride here in the afternoon.
Yeah, so lots of fun. If you didn't know, this park is actually the oldest attraction in Florida. It goes back all the way, I've seen 1870 and 1880, so in between there. And they invented glass bottom boats here.
Yep.
Really neat.
All right, so let's go get inside and try to catch a boat.
Yep.
The park admission fee is $2 per person,
Yep.
and that's for pedestrians and bicyclists.
Yep. And you can make reservations online if you want to get the glass bottom boat or the kayaks. You can do that all online. We'll put a link below. But you can also buy tickets at the gate.
Much to our surprise, it was actually free to get in today.
Yeah, that's
They have
nice.
an event going on that they're calling Ocala Days, and there's a bus that's taking you over to the campgrounds where the museum exists.
Yeah.
They're doing some sort of event. We don't know if there's like food trucks or
Vendors
things,
and stuff
vendors.
like that, he said.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're not going to do that today, but it'd be something to keep in mind. Well, it looks like they're doing some renovation projects here. It was in dire need the last time we were here.
When we were here,
So
it was all empty though.
Yeah.
But it was really nice. Like, if they fix it up, it'd probably look really good.
We have an actual mural wall. We're for a photo op, so Nicole's going to do a couple poses here. You'll have to check out our Instagram if you want to see how that turned out. We're in front of the lagoon, which is actually notorious for a couple of films that they filmed here, one of them being a James Bond movie.
Yep, and I think they sunk those statues down there for that movie. But we learn more on the tour.
Yeah, we'll find out when we get aboard the boat
He tells
tour.
you more. But a lot of movies were actually filmed here. It looks like Rebel Without a Cause, Distant Drums, Moonraker, The Creature from the Black Lagoon, and 6 Tarzan films. So
Yeah.
a lot of Hollywood magic in this park.
Yep. A lot of Native American influence here too. The Timucua is one that I believe is native to this area that utilize this spring quite a bit. After reading that statue, we also see that there is Seminole Native American history here too.
There are a ton of hiking trails here. Some of them are paved, some of them are dirt. They go from 1 mile to 4.5 miles, I saw, all around the park.
Yep. And if you're lucky
hiking.
enough, you may see monkeys.
Oh yeah, the monkeys. Hopefully we get to see
We'll
them.
try to capture some
Hopefully.
on film.
Yes.
Well, we're trying to rush to our reservation now because we realize we've just spent a whole bunch of time looking at things, and
Yeah.
you're supposed to get there 15 minutes early before the boat launches.
Yep. But we have a reservation, so that's good because sometimes that boat fills up.
Yep, hopefully it'll
We'll just
wait
get
for
in.
us.
Yeah, we'll just get in and go.
All right. All right, we're queued up. We're gonna wait to get on the boat.
Yep. Hopefully we get one of these really cool boats.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yes, I'm very excited. Definitely bring a few bucks when you come because after the tour is over, you should always tip your boat captain. It's not required, but it is recommended.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
Drop the rope. Let's go for a ride. Come on.
All right, we boarded and we're waiting to shove off.
Yep, our captain's already been telling jokes like they like to do, so definitely have to have a sense of humor.
You are more than welcome to take all the pictures and videos you want. Help yourself. I'm trying to avoid Oscar. He's got 2 sweet. Jesus, Mary, Mother of God, Oscar. There we go. We're good. Yourself.
Hey, we found him.
We found him.
This is the Silver River. It's a unique river. Every drop of water you see beneath the glass came out of the ground.
$178 monkeys live in this forest.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
There's like over 3,000, I think you said, in the state of Florida.
I went in there.
Your tips on the glass.
No, I hope I did you justice on the tour. Did you enjoy it? God bless y'all. Thank you for coming. Stay safe, stay healthy, more importantly, live a life worth living.
Well, that was a fun trip.
Yes, definitely. Captain is always funny.
The other thing I wanted to say was that in 1878 was when they actually had the first glass bottom boat here.
Yes.
I know I didn't really get a chance to say that earlier. And Hallam Jones was the one that actually had invented it, and he was charging a nickel a piece.
Which is a lot of money
Which
back
was
then.
funny for back then, or 1878, yeah.
Yeah.
But very interesting, and it's used all across the world, but the very first one was here.
Right here, world famous. Thank you for visiting. Look at these beautiful trees.
Yeah, we're not actually leaving.
No.
We're just going over to the kayak area, which is right outside the park.
Yeah. We changed into some sun shirts because it's hot today. We got our water shoes on. Now we're going to head over there and check in for our rental. We're on the water. We only have about an hour, and like I thought, we could only go along the boardwalk area, which is okay because there was a lot of traffic out in the main river area. And here we go. We're making our turn. Fort King paddling trail. No motorboats allowed. We only saw that one alligator today. Normally there's a lot more alligators here, but only a little baby one today. So we found our first big alligator. I don't think we should get too close, but there he is. Whew, he's a big boy. What do you think? 3 or 4 years old?
Oh, he's more than that.
Maybe 10? Yeah. All right, back us up, darling. You're getting us too close. I'm thinking the reason why it's called Fort King is because that's Fort King right there.
Looks like a little fort.
Yeah. We just found a gator swimming. Oh, please don't get us too close. Don't want to bump him. But there he goes. And I literally said you never see them in the water swimming.
Hey, buddy.
Woo!
You are a big boy.
Right? Beautiful creature, but you stay that way, we'll go this way.
Yep. Well, we finished kayaking.
That was amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool seeing some of the wildlife out there. We were also told, though, that we may not see any of the monkeys.
Yeah, and no manatees today, they said either.
Yeah.
Maybe it's too hot, or maybe the hurricane kind of scared them away.
That could be. They're all in hiding now.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to go look to see if there's a little snack we can grab and then...
walk that boardwalk before we check out.
Yeah.
We got corn dogs. Woo!
Corn dogs and...
some cheese fries.
Cheese fries.
But it tastes like nacho cheese.
Yeah.
So that'll be interesting.
Yep, got our ketchup and our mustard.
Good to go.
So I think we're going to mow down here.
Yep, and then go walk that boardwalk over there.
Corn dog cheers.
Oh, corn dog cheers. Cheers.
All right.
To a good day.
To a good day.
When you get to the boardwalk here, if you go to the right, this path will take you all the way down to where the kayaks and canoes are. Up. Feeding no monkeys. Do not feed the monkeys.
You plan to have monkeys on your monkey tour, don't you?
Nope.
They're on vacation today.
Now we're here at the spot where Michael realized he loves springs.
Not really. I just wish I could get in the spring.
I know. No matter how much you want to, don't jump in.
Okay, explorers, I think this is where we're gonna leave you.
Yeah. So we had a really great time here. I think we definitely want to come back though to do the cabins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't know how much luck we'll have, as you know, in the state of Florida. And depending on the location,
Very
cabins
hard.
are very hard to rent, at least from a year out.
Yeah.
So we're still in talks of maybe getting a pop-up eventually.
Yeah.
But, you know, whichever happens first, we will be back to this park to camp at some point.
I still want to stay in the cabin, even if we get a pop-up.
Yeah.
I still would like to stay.
I think that's going to do it.
Yeah. We got a long drive back.
Yeah. Thank you for coming along with us. Keep exploring.
We'll see you on the next one.